Hey friends, welcome to FX Yogi. In today's video, let's learn how to trade with moving average ribbons. 1. An expanding moving average ribbon signals the potential end of a trend. When the moving averages start widening out and separating, also known as ribbon expansion, this signals that the recent price direction has reached an extreme and could be the end of a trend. Think of each moving average as a magnet and they are attracted to each other. They do not want to be too far apart from each other for too long. So when they are, they will want to close that distance. Number 2. A contracting moving average ribbon signals a positive change in trend. When the moving averages start to converge and get closer to each other, also known as ribbon contraction, a trend change has possibly started. After an extreme move in price in one direction, you will notice shorter term moving averages converge first. The longer term moving averages will slowly converge. 3. A parallel moving average ribbon signals a strong trend. When the moving average signals are parallel and evenly spaced, this means that the current trend is very strong. All the moving averages are in agreement since they are moving together. Keep an eye on the spacing between the moving averages. Some traders make the mistake of only paying attention when the moving averages cross over or twist. While it is important to monitor when the short-term moving averages cross over, above or below the long-term moving averages, it is also important to monitor the spacing between the moving averages. The positioning of short-term moving averages relative to long-term moving average shows the direction of the trend, that is, whether it's going to be down, neutral or up. The space between the moving averages shows the strength of the trend, whether it is weak, neutral or strong. Let's see a moving average ribbon example. Let's take a look at a moving average ribbon applied to GBP USD pair on a 1-hour chart. Can you see the trend changes in the chart? In the chart above, you can easily identify bullish or bearish trends by looking at when the moving averages start to cross over or twist lower or higher. Ribbon expansion or the widening of spacing between the moving averages suggest end of the current trend. Ribbon contraction or the narrowing of spacing between the moving averages suggest the start of a new trend. That's all for today. Let's catch up in the next video with more interesting content. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.